Hello everyone, welcome to Banking Affairs. In this video, we will discuss June last week current affairs. Okay, so let's start. This is our first question. Which country chairs 7th edition of Indian Ocean Naval Symposium? So this is country is French. Okay, French chairs 7th edition of Indian Ocean Naval Symposium. Okay, current capital of France is Paris. Okay, and president of France is Emmanuel Macron. Okay, Emmanuel Macron. Which country awarded a malaria-free certification in more than 3 decades by WHO? So, country is China. Okay, China got certificate from WHO for malaria-free country. Okay, next question. Which bank launched Salam Dil Se initiative for doctors across the country? So, this is launched by HDFC Bank. Okay, HDFC Bank launched Salam Dil Se initiative for doctors across the country. Okay. Headquarter of HDFC Bank is in Mumbai. Okay. Next, which bank launched Salute Doctors Banking Solution for Doctors? So this is launched by ICICI Bank. Okay. ICICI Bank's headquarter also is in Mumbai. Next, Digital India Initiative was launched by Prime Minister Modi in which year? So this is launched in 2015. This year, India celebrated its sixth edition of Digital India Initiative. Okay. Next, how much amount pledged by World Bank for COVID-19 vaccine funding? So, World Bank launched $20 billion for COVID-19 vaccine fund. Okay, this is this fund released by World Bank for developing the nation. Okay, अगला question. Who will be new Vice Chief of Indian Air Force? So, Vivek Ram Chaudhary, new Vice Chief of IAF. This is Indian Air Force. Next, J&K Chief Secretary Arun Mehta inaugurated SDRF 1st Battalion's 24 into 7 mental health helpline which called Sukoon. Okay, Sukoon helpline by J&K Secretary Arun Mehta launched for his people. Okay, next, what is the rank of India in the Global Startup Ecosystem Index 2021 by Startup Blink? So our rank in Startup Blink, that is 20. Okay, our rank 20, India's rank 20 in Global Startup Ecosystem Index 2021. Okay, next question. Hosla Inspiring Her Growth, a comprehensive program for catalyzing women entrepreneurship in which state UT? So that is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, Jammu and Kashmir UT launched Hosla Inspiring Her Growth for comprehensive program catalyzing women entrepreneurs. Who is the lieutenant? Who is the LG of Jammu and Kashmir? So Manoj Sinha. Manoj Sinha. Okay, Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, next question. What is the rank of India in the Global Cyber Security Index? So India's rank 10th in Global Cyber Security Index. Who is the top in this rank? So United States of America, USA top in this rank. Next, who appointed chairman of Indian Federation of United Nations Association? So Sambhunath Srivastava appointed chairman of Indian Federation of United Nations Associations. Okay, next question. Center inaugurated Asia's longest and world's fifth longest high-speed NetTrax in which city of country? So Central launched NetTrax high-speed track in Indore. Indore is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, next, which space agency hired and launched the world's first physically disabled astronauts? So that agency is European Space Agency. Okay, European Space Agency, first first agency in the world who which launched first physically disabled astronaut. Okay, next, Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad has recently launched इतत ए द्वार एंड ई फिलिंग पोर्टल फॉर D. Income tax appeal tribunal. Okay. Next, which state has started a supporting Andhra's learning transformation called SALT, nickname of SALT called can say, yeah, SALT name, program to transfer foundational learning in government school. So Andhra Pradesh launched SALT program digital learning in government school. Okay. जैसा कि यहाँ पे देख रहे हो आंध्राज लर्निंग प्रोग्राम सपोर्टिंग आंध्रा, ओके, नाम से ही पता चलता है कि आंध्र प्रदेश में ऐसा हो रहा है। नेक्स्ट, नेम द ऑथर ऑफ द बुक टाइटल पॉलिसी मेकर्स जनरल फ्रॉम न्यू दिल्ली टू वाशिंगटन डीसी। सो कौशिक बसु, ऑथर पॉलिसी मेकर्स जनरल फ्रॉम न्यू दिल्ली टू वाशिंगटन डीसी। ओके। नेक्स्ट, हु अपॉइंटेड स्पेशल डायरेक्टर ऑफ सीबीआई। So Praveen Sinha appointed a special director of Central Bureau of Investigation. Headquarter of CBI is in New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi. Next, who the author of book titled Kashmiri Century Portrait of a Society in Flux. So this book written by Hemlata Waklu. Okay, sorry if I pronounce wrong. Next, which organization flight test Agni-P ballistic missile? So DRDO recently launched this ballistic missile called Agni-P. DRDO stands for Defense Research and Development Organization. Okay, next, who has been appointed head of payments of WhatsApp in India? So Manesh Mahatme appointed head of payments of WhatsApp in India. Okay. Who honored highest civilian award for Mongolia, the Order of Polar Star? So R.K. Sabharwal honored with highest civilian award of Mongolia, that called the Order of Polar Star. Okay. Next, which state topped in India Smart City Award Contest 2020? So Uttar Pradesh topped in Smart City Award Contest. Okay. Next, who written book titled The Dot Chand Story? Dot Chand Story is written by Sandeep Misra. Okay, Sandeep Misra. Next, which bank has partnered with Paisa Bajaj to launch setup credit card? That is SBM Bank. Okay. Next, the encrypted messaging application Wicker has recently been acquired by which tech giant? So this is Amazon. Amazon acquire Wicker, which encrypted messaging application. Next, who appointed Central Vigilance Officer of India? So Suresh N. Patel appointed Central Vigilance Officer of India. That short name of CVC. Okay. Next, India Rating and Research projected India's GDP growth for financial year 22. It is 9.6%. Okay, 9.6%. Next, which financial body has approved USD 125 million support program for the Resilient Kerala program? So this is support from World Bank. World Bank headquarters Washington DC. Washington DC. Okay, and head of the World Bank it is David Malpass. David Malpass. Okay. So इसी के साथ ये वीडियो का यहाँ पे खत्म होता है। इस हफ्ते के जो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन थे यहाँ पे डिस्कस किए जा चुके हैं। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है तो आप इसको रेट रिव्यू रिकमेंड कर सकते हैं, और इसी तरह और भी वीडियो देखने के लिए आप इसको सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। ओके, तो इसको ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। तो चलिए इस वीडियो को यहीं पर एंड करते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस। हैव एन ऑसम डे।